In this video, I'm going to show you a workflow that we built to help our client find missing email addresses. Essentially, they were using an AI agent to find leads for them, but unfortunately, a lot of the email addresses were missing. So I'm going to share with you this workflow so you can see how you can get this critical information so that way you can reach out to new leads. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tara. I'm the founder of a company called Simpleday. We're Monday.com Platinum Partners. Over the last 4 years, we've helped hundreds of companies. Whether it's getting started with Monday.com or custom implementations and workflows, we've been there to help. If you need any assistance, my contact information is in the description below. So feel free to reach out, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you. I want to start with giving you a little bit of background about what this company is looking to do. This is one of our clients, and they work in the medical industry and they help with marketing. So they basically offer marketing services to their clients that are big pharmaceutical companies. Now, when they're looking for leads, they decided to build a Monday agent to help them find those leads. So essentially what happens is the Monday agent finds leads and then puts them on their leads board. However, they've noticed that Monday is not supplying them with the email addresses. I do know that this is a feature that Monday is working on, but currently they don't exist. So it could be that in the future it will, but as of right now, that doesn't exist. So what we did is we built out a workflow that connects Monday to a tool called Wiza. And basically what happens is whenever there's a missing email address, it automatically connects to Wiza, finds the email address, and puts it in the Monday board. So let's jump in and I'll show you how it works. Here you can see that I am in their leads board. So this is the Monday leads board. And what we created was a group called AI Leads Email Lookup, and reminding them to not delete it. And as you can see, I'm obviously just an example here that I added for the sake of this demo, but I am missing an email address. So you can see here that there's no email address. I also have this status called Needs Lookup. Now, there is a lot of different groups within the board, but the way that this is built is that when a lead is added specifically to this group, it will look up the lead within Wiza, and then it will send back the email address. So all I need to do is I need to add my company name, and then let's see what happens. Here you can see that it just changed to looking up, so it automatically changed the status. And you can see here that my email address was added in. This workflow was set up using an integration between Monday and Wiza, like I said, and we did this through a make scenario. Here's a quick screenshot of what this make scenario looks like. While I know this is a relatively simple workflow, finding people's email addresses is very, very important because you can't reach out to leads if you don't have their email addresses. So if you're missing critical information, you should be thinking, what kind of workflows can I set up in order to pull that information? Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.